What's up, everyone? It is Sunday. Hey everyone, it's Sunday. I got my yard chores done, I got my laundry in, and we got ourselves some thunderstorms coming through. We had some severe thunderstorms come through Rhode Island yesterday. Fortunately, we didn't get any here. They went right around us. But my 16-year-old daughter had to drive to work, and she got her first experience of driving through a thunderstorm. She was scared. It was incredible. The reports are showing that there was like golf ball size hail. It's incredible. What are you barking at? Huh? What are you barking at? Yep, that's Took. Took is a sick little boy. Well, not sick, but he had, for those of you that have dogs, it's kind of gross, but his anal gland got impacted and infected. So the poor guy ended up having to basically have his butt cut and drained. So he's a little sore. He's on some pain meds. He was wearing the cone of shame for a little while, but that's now gone. It's healed up enough where he's not going to lick it or anything like that. But it's been a rough week. Let's head outside. Like I said, we got some thunderstorms heading in. You guys want to go out? They're like two kids. They're not gonna like it because I cut the grass. Oh, so I cut the grass, so my allergies are absolutely killing me right now. But the sky's darkening. We got some rain showers right now, but they said we're supposed to get some more heavy thunderstorms today. Hopefully they're not as bad as they were yesterday, but they're like two kids. They're like two kids. Like they've never been outside before. Tuka, the white dog, he's a dick. I got all the yard work done. You see the grass has been cut. Excuse me. Oh God, my allergies are killing me. Horrible, absolutely horrible. So, but like I said, grass is all cut now. I got to do some weeding. Getting a lot of weeds in the lawn this year, which I kind of expected because I was lazy last year. I didn't take care of the lawn in the fall. Do my overseeding and everything, so I got to do that this year. I had trimmed back a lot of the brush back here. It's starting to overgrow the yard. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do, but we got July 4th weekend coming up, and I got lucky. We're gonna have Thursday is the 4th, so I have that off, and then I'm gonna have Friday off too. So I got a nice 4-day weekend coming up. Trust me, I need the break. I need it. What you doing, Took? Huh? What you doing? Leashy leash. No. But yeah, like I said, we got some rain coming in. Probably gonna be inside all day. My youngest daughter works at the beach that's near me, and she came home early yesterday because of the thunderstorms. Even though we didn't get it, you could hear the thunder here, and you can hear thunder, you can get hit by lightning, so they shut the beach down. Probably gonna do it again. She just went down because it's like 10:30. She goes in for 11, and it looks like we're gonna get rain within the next hour, so we'll see. She'll probably, like I said, she'll probably come home early again today. But all right, I got all my stuff put away. Like I said, it's gonna rain, so I'm not gonna spend too much time up here. I'll get with you guys in a little bit. All right, everyone, the first round of rain showers fizzled out as they came into my area here in Rhode Island. So right now it's just humid as hell out there. The sun's popped out, so usually that means that we're going to get some really big thunderstorms this afternoon. Well, anyway, my daughter gets a few extra hours of work, so without the rain showers. That's good for her. She's worked her butt off so far this summer. I'm really proud of her, how hard she's worked. So, I gotta find something to do. I got all my outside work done this morning because I didn't think I'd be able to be out there this afternoon, or, you know, this time of day, because they said we're supposed to get showers and thunderstorms. Yeah. Go improve when I listen to the weather forecasters around here. But anyway, I gotta do some stuff in here. I'm probably gonna go down and cleaning my office and do some vacuuming and stuff like that. So some housekeeping, because I really don't want to go out in the heat and humidity anymore. I was out there this morning cutting the grass and I was dying. So let's do that. But probably what I'm gonna do first here is I gotta get myself a cup of coffee, because it is Sunday and I am dragging, and I shouldn't be dragging because I got a good 8 hours sleep last night. So we'll see. But let's make it a cup of coffee. You guys, we were supposed to have thunderstorms today. I don't know whether this will pick it up, but yeah, we got some good ones coming in right now. I don't know whether it's picking up the thunder or anything, but we got a good storm coming in. My daughter hasn't head home yet, so she should be any second. I guarantee I'll see her running down the street. But yeah, this one's loud. The bigger one is going off to the east of us right now through the city of Woonsocket. But yeah, these clouds look nasty. The wind is picking up right now. Yeesh. So I'm gonna head in. I'll maybe broadcast during the storm. We'll see what it's like. guess what? I never ever finished the video yesterday. I ended up putting it down doing a couple of other things, so yeah, it was a lazy Sunday afternoon because it ended up raining the rest of the day. Just constant showers coming through, so that's going to be it. So I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the vlog, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. If you're already subscribed to the vlog, hit that bell icon right next to the subscription button, and you'll get a notification anytime I put up a new vlog. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again very soon.